Hello, can everyone hear me? Can anyone hear me? Hello. Please, if you can hear me, please can you? Okay. Okay. So let's wait. We are supposed to start now, but I'll just wait for more people to join. Okay, so it seems I'm having issues with my internet. Okay. Um, so can everyone hear me now? So I'm very sorry. I'm trying to fix my internet. So I think I think my internet is having issues. So I'm trying to fix it. That's weird because I've not had this issue before. Okay, so I believe everyone can hear me now. I believe everyone can hear me now. Is if you can hear me, can you signify in the chats? Okay, so okay, okay. Yeah, I had issues with my internet. Sorry about that. I think it's fixed now. Okay, so I believe that. So I will just start recording. Um, okay. So hello everyone. Welcome to today's office. I had to encounter because of technical difficulties. So I hope we are all having a great day. Welcome again. So as usual, we'll be talking all things Python. So if you have questions, please you can just put them in the chat and I'll go through them. Am I still breaking? Let me check. Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. So please, if you have any question as regards to this week's task, or no, not the task, this week's topic. Okay, okay. So someone asked, what is the difference between pass and continue? That is actually a very interesting question. So unlike, I think I would love to demonstrate this. So I would have to use an online IDE, I think. Um, okay, now let's just use VS Code. Okay, so the difference between pass and continue is continue is a control statement. Yeah, so what it does is it breaks the flow of execution of a program. So I can use continue to skip, or it is actually what it is used for. Continue is used to skip like an iteration or a or an expression or something like that. So when I use continue, it means that I do not want to run a line of code again or a block of code anymore at that particular point in time. So it is breaking the flow of execution of a program. But pass does not do that. Pass does not break it. Pass is just saying, I have this block of code. I just don't want to do anything here. So you mostly use pass when you have a class, yeah, and we have not gone into classes, so I would not use a class for the demonstration, but you mostly use pass when you have like a class and you just want to define your class without having any attributes yet. But you can also use pass in normal block of code. I believe everyone can hear me, please. If you can hear me, or if you cannot hear me at any point in time, just signify in the chat. I should be able to see it. So this is the line block of code we were working on last week. So let's just say, okay. I hope we all remember what this is supposed to do, but let me just run it for reference purposes. So everyone remembers, just run. I hope everyone can see my screen. So last week I saw some people saying they could not see my screen. So I hope they can see my screen now. So this is what this code is running. But I think it's okay, I think I'll just have to write a new code, because since we are working on functions this week, we should be familiarizing ourselves with functions. So I have this function called add, yeah, that takes two parameters x and y. So I want to print x plus y. Now, let's say I have like a condition inside here. So let's say if x is greater than 5, print, or let's just say pass, else print x, this is our f string, x is not, okay, or s is less than 5. So now, the very idea of this function is basically to add two numbers here. So I would be, okay, let me just call the function. So someone messaged me on Slack saying that their function could not run, and they had something similar to this, like this. So the thing with function is, once you once you define a function, you have to call that function outside of the function. So right now, this is inside the function. I am calling it inside the function. And what happens when you call a function inside itself is what we know as recursion. So we will not go into that now. But once we call a function inside itself, we are, what's it called? We are having to use a term known as recursion, a programming concept known as recursion. So right now, you have to, if you want to call your function, it needs to be outside the function like this. So please take note, anytime you want to call your function, it should be outside the function, not inside the function. So before I use pass, I think to make it better, I'll just use print x is greater, or s is greater than 5. So let's say x is 10. Yeah. So let's run our block of code. an invalid Python interpreter is selected. This is why I really don't like using code runner sometimes. Oh, let's save. Sorry, I didn't save. Select Python. Oh, it just dawned on me that I was writing my code without. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I just realized I am very sorry. Yes, I am very sorry. I just realized that I thought I was sharing my full screen. I didn't know that I was sharing just a tab. I am very sorry. Uh, wow, wow. Okay, so where do I start from? Okay, so let me take us back to what I was doing. Okay, so I said, if you remember, that this was what we were working on last week. And so can everyone see my screen? No.